morning. This is Around the House with Kay and Tom. This morning I am just going to make a simple pineapple pie. And what we'll need is, I've got a graham cracker crust, 10-inch graham cracker crust, a can of crushed pineapple, some instant pudding and pie filling. I got vanilla, simply because I cannot find any pineapple pudding and pie filling. We need 8 ounces of sour cream, and for the topping I've got pineapple slices and some cherries. So we will get started. No cooking, really quick. And Around the House with Kay and Tom. Please subscribe. Join my channel and subscribe. You know, the good thing about this is that you can turn this over after you get your pie, and it makes your lid for your pie. Okay, now I've got the pie crust ready. You don't take it out, you don't do anything, just that. So let's get everything mixed up together. You need 1 can of crushed pineapple, not strained. You need a box of instant vanilla pudding and pie filling. We finally got a little rain down here last night, which is fantastic. I'm just going to sprinkle that around. I'm going to mix it up just a little bit before I put the sour cream. And we're going to use 1 cup or 8 ounces of sour cream. And this happens to be 14 ounces in this one. So I will take it and we'll do 1 cup of sour cream. I have 1 cup of sour cream. We'll put this in here. I intend to, when I get this pie fixed and put it in the refrigerator, to go out there and cut my grass today, because with this little bit of rain, it sure did jump up there. So you will just mix this all together real good. This is instant pudding and pie filling. Okay, and we will put it right here in this. All you do is you get it mixed up real good, which I do believe I've got it there. Put it in your pie shell. Just smooth it out. Now this was a 10-inch graham cracker pie shell. And we're going to take some pineapple rings. Just lay you some pineapple rings on top of this. It took me a while to find the little cans of pineapple rings. It has 4 in it, and that's exactly what you need. You take a cherry. Make sure with the cherries that you take the stem out of it. I'm one of those weird people that I happen not to particularly care for cherries, so I'm just going to put a half of one in the center just to make it look pretty, but it's not one of my favorite things to eat. And to be honest with you, I'll probably pick that off when I get ready to eat a slice of this, but maybe somebody else would like it. This is all you have to do. And like I say, it's nothing in the world but a can of crushed pineapple. Do not drain it. A box of vanilla instant pudding and pie filling. And 8 ounces of sour cream. Mix it all together. Put it into a graham cracker crust. Put your rings on it and your cherries and put it in the refrigerator and let it set for maybe an hour or two and let it firm up a little bit. And you now have a very good pineapple pie. And again, this is Around the House with Kay and Tom. Once I cut into it, when it firms up and I cut into it, I'll show you what it looks like when we just take it out of this pan. Around the House with Kay and Tom. Please subscribe and I'll be back in just a little bit. Okay, I've had this in the refrigerator now for probably an hour. I just want to see if it's got firm enough to actually cut a slice. Oh, I didn't cut it all the way through. That's what it looks like on the inside. I think I'm going to put it back in the refrigerator just for a little while longer because it could be firmer. It is really, really good. But you definitely have to like pineapple because it is really pineapple-y. Okay, that's my little video for short, sweet pineapple pie. And doesn't that look good? Around the House with Kay and Tom. Please subscribe.